Hi, this is Ann from Instant Cash Solution, and today I'm going to do a really quick video to share with you the compensation plan and a really awesome way that you can get up to the very top level for free. We're talking a free upgrade here. So let's go ahead and take a look. So Instant Cash Solution, you guys are probably familiar with it. You've seen it on social media and YouTube. It is a great program to earn these, as it says here, $100 to $500 payments. And you can earn multiple payments every single day just by promoting this program. And everything that you need is supplied in your back office. And I did a back office tour. You can check that out here on YouTube. I'll put the link down below. You can watch that video where I'm going to give you a tour of the entire back office of Instant Cash Solution to show you what you get and how you earn these $100 to $500 commissions. But today, let's head on over and let me show you very quickly the comp plan and how you earn these commissions. So the comp plan here, there are 4 levels that you can join at, okay? There's the bronze, silver, gold, and the platinum level. And the bronze level is $100 to get in, silver is $200, gold is $300, and platinum is $500. And if you go down here at the membership level area, there you'll also see the admin fee. So there is a small admin fee that comes with each level. So when you join at whatever level that you want to get started at, whatever is comfortable for you financially, you'll have a one-time membership payment, such as if you come in at the gold level, which is one of the popular levels, come in at the gold level at $300. So it's a one-time $300 and a one-time $29 admin fee, okay? And you get all these amazing things with each level, okay? So obviously the higher up that you come in, not only are you making more money, which I'll explain a little bit more about how you earn the money here, but as you can see here, the higher up you come, the more you get, the more training, the more perks, and at the gold and platinum level, you actually get free vacation. So that is an awesome opportunity right there. So let's go back up here and take a look at the comp plan again. So let's just say, for sake of argument, that you came in at the gold level, all right, $300. At whatever level you come in at, that is the level that you can earn on. So it's to your advantage to come in at the very highest level possible so you don't leave any money on the table. So let's just start with the bronze. If you come in at the bronze $100 level, you can only earn $100 commissions. As people join your team, they go to your capture page and they decide to do business with you, and they decide to start their own instant cash solution business. If they join at the bronze level at 100, you will get a $100 commission because we get paid 100% commission. However, if that person decides to join at the silver or the gold or the platinum level, you're going to miss out on that sale because you're only qualified to earn at the $100 level. So you see, it's to your advantage to come in as high as possible. So if you come in at the silver level for $200, you can resell the silver program, but you also can earn commissions on the bronze level. So you can earn the $200 commissions and the $100 commissions. If you come in at the gold level, you are qualified to earn the $300 commissions as people join you at that level, but you're also qualified to earn at the silver and the bronze levels too. So again, the higher up you come in, the better, because you're making more money. Most people do come in at the platinum level. The gold is very popular, but the platinum level is where most people do join because they see the advantage of earning as much money as possible and not leaving any money on the table. So when you join for $500 at the platinum level, now you're qualified to earn those big, wonderful $500 commissions, but you're also qualified to earn the $300 gold, the $200 silver, and the $100 bronze, and you never pass up or lose out on any sales whatsoever. So here is a really cool bonus upgrade that the owner is doing. And this is a great thing to keep in mind. If you come in at the highest level that you possibly can, but you can't quite come in at the platinum level, it's okay. Don't worry. You won't lose out for very long. And here's why. Okay, so let's say you come in at the gold level. You just can't afford the platinum level. You can't afford to come in at $500, but you can do the 300 gold. That's cool. Get in at the gold. Get in as high as you can. So let's say you're having members join you in your business and you get a platinum sale. You are not qualified to earn that $500 platinum sale, so that 500 commission is going to pass you up and go to probably your sponsor if they're at the platinum level. If they're not qualified at the platinum level, it'll continue going up to the next person in that line who is a platinum level. So in other words, you're going to lose out on that $500 commission because you're only at the gold level. And this holds true if you're at the silver or the bronze level also. But here is where it gets very, very exciting. You are going to lose out on that first platinum sale. However, you will now be immediately upgraded to the platinum level yourself. You don't have to pay the admin fee. You don't have to pay the $500 platinum membership fee. You are upgraded for free to the platinum level, which means the next time you get a platinum sale, you are now going to be eligible to earn those $500 commissions. And it gets even sweeter because if you have team members that are at the bronze, silver, or gold, and now you're at the platinum level, and they get a platinum sale, they're not qualified. That $500 platinum sale is going to roll up past them and go to you now. So now you got a $500 roll-up sale off of one of your team members because they weren't qualified at the platinum level. However, now they will be upgraded to the platinum level for free as well. So next time they will be eligible to earn those $500 commissions. So do you see the power in this? Do you see the power in coming in as high as possible with Instant Cash Solution? But even if you can't afford the platinum level, don't fret. Get in where you fit in. Get in as high as you possibly can. Market the program. Get as many people through your capture page funnel as possible. Get those sales coming in because you're going to get platinum sales. And even if you bypass your very first one and you miss out on that first $500 sale, you will be upgraded for free to platinum, and the next time you get a platinum sale, you now are going to receive those $500 commissions, and it is a really awesome feeling. So that is the comp plan. You basically get paid at the level that you are at. However, those platinum levels, you are upgraded for free. This doesn't apply to any other levels. Only if you get a platinum sale, you will get upgraded for free and able to earn on the next time you get a platinum sale. All right, hope that made sense. If you had any questions, comment down below this video. My link is down below. Hit that. Get started with me and my team. I've got some bonuses for you, and let's get you started earning these wonderful $500 platinum commissions and these free vacations that you'll be qualified for. Okay, I will see you on the next video. Have an awesome day.